family, welcome back to my channel. So today we're back with this really fun review that GRACO family sent me this awesome stroller, and I'm gonna be talking about it. It's a 3-in-1 stroller. They sent me this stroller in exchange for my opinion, my honest opinion, and I'm not receiving any other kind of compensation about it. Little update. Baby girl is 2 now. I'm having another one in maybe 3 weeks. And yeah, things are going well with me and my family. Just wanted to give you that little update there. Now let's go ahead and talk about the stroller. Alright, so this stroller is the GRACO Mode Nest 3-in-1. That means that it can be an infant car seat carrier. It can convert into a bassinet, and also it grows with your baby because on those toddler stage, it can be a stroller, like a normal stroller, a toddler stroller. That's what I thought this stroller was so good for us, because with baby coming and Luciana being 2, I'm gonna need all these features with me. The first thing I want to talk about is how easy it was to assemble. It was pretty easy once we clicked the big back wheels. Those big back wheels has little tiny pieces, I'm gonna show you here in the video, that are just a little hard to put together, but after that it took us like 10 minutes to put all the stroller together, and that's really easy. When it was put together, the first thing I noticed that it was something like, it was a really headache for me with my first stroller, the stroller I got when I was pregnant with Luciana, is that my first stroller had a really tiny basket. This stroller, the Mode Nest, has a big basket. So if you have a grocery store close and you just want to walk there, you have the space for like at least 5 bags of groceries in this basket, or like a big backpack, the diaper bag, a toddler bag. Like, you can put anything in this basket. It's huge. Thing that helps make the basket taller, and also that it's very another feature that helps with the basket, make it like taller or smaller, and also it gives you comfort, is that you can slide up and down the bassinet or the car seat, depends what you're using, to have your baby close to you or a little forward. Another feature that I mentioned is that this is a 3-in-1 stroller. So first, you can, if your baby falls asleep in the car, you just take the car seat, the infant carrier, and click it in the stroller and roll with it. Luciana is very excited about this stroller. We just turned it into a bassinet, but it's a really nice toddler stroller that she has been loving. The second mode, the bassinet, you can have your baby facing you or facing the world. I prefer facing me when they're babies, and I use this bassinet mode. I mean, that's probably what I will do, is put the baby facing me and go for a walk. Yeah, while Luciana rides her bike. That'll be a perfect picture. This third mode is, the toddler stage, where you can put the seat up, put your toddler in, and he can face you too, or he can face the world. As I told you, it's super easy to click and just turn the basket around. So that's your preference. What would you rather have? Like right now, we have had the stroller facing the world because Luciana likes to see. She loves going on walks. Back in just like this, there. And since this is too high for her, I'm gonna slide it down there on the sides. And to tilt it, we have this little click here. Okay, thank you. We have this little click here. We're gonna lift it up and tilt the bassinet like this. You see how you can go up and down. So bassinet mode, toddler mode. Once it's like this, baby, I need one more step before you can jump in. We need to make it a chair because it's kind of flat. She's gonna slide down. Here we have over here buckles. So we buckle these two together. 1 second. There. And you will have the chair. here are the straps. And now baby can jump in. She's so very excited. And that's it. You can buckle her up. And the toddler tray. So you just click it here. 1 and 2. Cuidado con las manos. Saca las manos. There. So, being in this toddler stage, the last step, well, if they fall asleep, you know, they have this reclinable part, just like that, like they can recline a little. But if, like Luciana, she likes to sit up, you see? To change it to the sitting mode, you just have pull this up and push it like that. You see how easy that was? And now she is in a sitting mode. If you want to recline them, if they fall asleep, you just press this button again. You just slide it down and recline the chair if they fall asleep or something. So right now she lies like that. And yeah, it's super easy. This feature, the fact that I can recline the chair and go back to sitting mode so easily, it's honestly amazing. My first stroller was so hard to put up and down in one simple and smooth movement. Every time we will place the chair down, it will like shake the stroller a little bit and wake up the baby. So this is very smooth and I really like that. Alright guys, and to finish all the amazing features this stroller has, I want to show you the brakes are here underneath, here by the big wheels. To fold the stroller, you click the brakes first, and here by the handles there's these two great buttons that you're gonna push and slide up a little and then just like let it fall, and it stands by itself as you saw. Super easy. It clicked, it's closed. And something I did notice about this is that when it's facing you, you know, this chair, when it's facing you, it cannot fold. But when it's chasing the wall, this is how it will look folded, and it stands by itself, which is a feature that I really like. To open it, here we have a handle that we're gonna push up, and it opens like this, so easily and simple. And we go. So you see, it's very steady, as I told you. There's a big basket over here and cup holder here, baby here. All right, and that's all the features and details I can give you about the stroller. And something I really like is that with my first stroller, I didn't have the bassinet option. It was just, you know, the carrier and the toddler stroller. So having this bassinet option, especially with the holidays coming, it feels nice. It feels good that I can have a place to put baby when he falls asleep, you know. And I have told you it's a great toddler stroller too, so I will give this stroller 5 stars. It's great and I highly recommend it. Thanks a lot for watching this video, guys. I know I have been missing a lot here, but it's been hard days with this pregnancy, so hopefully it's almost over, and hopefully I hope baby comes soon and healthy. See you next time. Bye.